Hey y'all, good morning. I'm fashionably grateful and I am here with another workout. I'm about to do chest breast lifting exercises. I'm hoping that that's what happens. Guys, I'm trying to be more and more consistent with this so that we can start seeing some results. It's been quite some time since we've seen some results, so we're going to try to move in that direction again. And today my outfit of the day is from Fabletics. I have the link tagged in the description, so make sure that you do go ahead and check that out. I have that there for you. This outfit comes in several different colors though, guys, so yeah, you can definitely see that. Now Fabletics has like a monthly membership. However, I don't do that. I just like deactivate my account and then I activate it again once I want to go ahead and order again. But guys, yes, right now I'm only doing chest exercises alone. I used to combine chest, triceps, and shoulders, but it's just becoming really repetitive. I want to try to focus and hone in on one body part at a time. And we'll do probably like triceps and biceps together one day. But yes, I just wanted to do this, y'all. These hurt. These are hard, especially lifted up like this. Normally I do these I do these standing up, and they give me a little bit more like probably momentum standing up. But like this, I don't have any of that. So it's just kind of like I'm literally using my chest and my biceps for real. So I'm gonna be on fire. But yes, guys, just doing several chest exercises. This is the only angle I had at the camera. I don't mean to get the bug over there on the side of me. But guys, I appreciate you for watching. Also, just make sure that you do try to move around today, because I'm hoping that I motivated you just like somebody motivated me to get up by just watching their amateur videos. And guys, you enjoy your day. I hope it's prosperous and very productive for you, okay? Thank you. Bye.